This faceless YouTube channel gained over 200,000 subscribers posting videos about cartoon dinosaurs. So let me show you how you can create your own channel just like this in 3 simple steps without showing your face or even knowing how to edit. Step 1, pick a niche. Just choose something you're already interested in or something that you know is popular, like animal facts or even bedtime stories. In this example, I'll go with dinosaurs because it's already been proven to work. Step 2, bring it to life with InVideo AI. Go to invideo.io and click Create AI Video. Next, choose workflows, short animated video workflow, and add a script. For example, I told it to create a minute-long dinosaur video for kids. And also make sure to write narration in 3rd person. Next, pick an animation style. I'll go with Studio Ghibli. Once you're done with that, hit generate. And this insane AI tool will not only create completely custom videos, but also adds subtitles, a voiceover, music, and so much more. So let's check out what it made.
Meet the Tyrannosaurus Rex, king of the dinosaurs. With razor-sharp teeth and powerful jaws, T-Rex was a fearsome predator.
Now you can also change anything you want using a simple edit command in the prompt box. And then step 3, post the video. Once you're happy with it, just download the video and upload it to your channel. And then just repeat this process consistently and you'll be able to build a community of loyal subscribers without ever having to be on camera. So if you want to try this out, then just comment video down below and I'll send you the link.